This is the Kohler GP11122 fit 5.6 tank to bowl gasket. Now this gasket will work on several Kohler models, but just as an example, we've got the model 4418, 4421, and the 4166. And yeah, that's just a couple examples of the many models that this gasket works for. We'll go ahead and get a couple dimensions and measurements of this gasket. Now keep in mind, the new gasket and the one that's been installed will kind of differ. And the reason by that being is that old gasket's been in between the tank and the bowl. It's been compressed. It's got a lot of weight on it. It can also expand, kind of spread out, and that dimension can change as well. So just keep in mind that these dimensions may not match perfectly. But starting with an outer diameter, we'll go from the bottom side here. That's going to measure just shy of 4 inches, so right at about 3 3/4, just above 3 3/4. Then we'll also get an inner diameter. On this side, we'll do inner here. And that's going to measure right at about 2 inches. And then a thickness of right at about 1.25 inches. And once again, this is the Kohler GP1112256 tank to bowl gasket.